this video, I will explain the Cauchy's linear differential equation. So, what is the equation and how to solve it? An equation of the form a naught x square y double dash plus a1 into x into y dash plus a2y is equals to phi of x is called Cauchy's linear differential equation. So we'll use the following substitutions to reduce the given equations. That is here x square y double dash and x y dash. This x square and x are called variable coefficients. We'll use the following substitution to reduce these variables into constants. That is t is equals to log x to base e or e power t is equals to x. So the derivative will be x y dash becomes dy, x square y double dash becomes d into d minus 1 into y. X cube y triple dash can also be written as d into d minus 1 into d minus 2 into y, where d will be d by dt because the variable x, the independent variable x, been replaced by another independent variable that is t. Now consider an equation x square y double dash minus 3x y dash plus 4y is equals to 1 plus x whole square. Put t is equals to log x to base e or e power t is equals to x. X y dash becomes dy. X square y double dash will be d into d minus 1 into y. This will be d into d square. D into minus 1 will be minus d into y. So the equation will be d square minus d into y minus 3 dy plus 4y is equals to 1 plus x. X is e power t. So e power t whole square. Now left hand side d square minus d minus 3d plus 4 into y. This is apply the a plus b whole square. 1 square b square, that is e power t whole square, plus 2ab, that is 2 into 1 into e power t. Left hand side will be d square minus 4d plus 4 into y. This will be 1. E power t whole square will be e power 2t and 2 e power t. Put d is equals to m to get the auxiliary equation, that is m square minus 4m plus 4 is equals to 0. So use the calculator or the formula to find the roots. The roots are 2 comma 2. What is the nature? Both are the real numbers and they are equal. In such case, the complementary function will be yc is equals to c1 plus c2t into e power 2t. Now to find the particular integral, right hand side is d square plus, right hand side will be 1 plus e power 2t plus 2 e power t by d square minus 4d plus 4. So write it into three terms. So you take the first one as p1, second one as p2, and this is 2 e power t by denominator as the third one. So I'll one by one we will evaluate it. P1 is 1 by d square minus 4d plus 4. Put d is equals to 0 since numerator is a constant. So it becomes 0, 0 minus 0 plus 4. So P1 is 1 by 4. Now P2 e to the power of 2t by d square minus 4d plus 4. Since it is a e power 2t, we have to substitute d is equals to 2. But if we substitute d equals to, denominator becomes 0 because 2 is the root of the auxiliary equation. So therefore, write t in the numerator e power 2t by differentiation of d square will be 2d, 4d derivative will be 4. Again, this t can be written as make it t square. Again, the denominator becomes 0. Therefore, write it t square e power 2t. 2d derivative will be 2 and derivative of 4 will be 0. So therefore, now P2 will be t square e power 2t by 2. So 2 e power, now we'll take P3, 2 e power t by d square minus 4d plus 4. Now here we have to substitute d is equals to 1. So d is equals to 1. That is, it becomes 1 minus 4 plus 4. Plus 4 and minus 4 gets cancelled. Now it will be P3 will be 2 e power t. So therefore, finally general solution yc plus yp, that is c1 plus c2t into e power 2t. P1 is 1 by 4 plus p2 t square e power 2t by 2 plus 2e power t, where t is log x to base e. Now we'll take the another example. X square y double dash plus x y dash plus 9y is equals to 3x square plus sine 3 log x. Put t is equals to log x to base e, or e power t is equals to x. So x y dash becomes dy, x square y double dash becomes t into d minus 1 into y, or it can be written as d into d square, d into minus 1 minus d into y. Now the equation becomes d square minus d into y plus dy plus 9y is equals to right hand side 3x square. X will be e power t whole square. That becomes e power 2t. Sine 3 log x becomes sine 3 log x is 1 t. So therefore it is sine 3t. In the left hand side, plus d and minus d gets cancelled. So we'll get d square plus 9 into y plus equals 3 e power 2t sine 3t. Now put d is equals to m. So therefore the auxiliary equation will be m square plus 9 is equals to 0. M square equals minus 9. M equals plus or minus square root of minus 9. Square root of minus 9 is 3i. So the nature of the roots is imaginary. Therefore complementary function will be c1 cos 3t plus c2 sin 3t. Now to find the particular integral, 3 e power 2t by d square plus 9 sin 3t by d square plus 9. So here P1, this is P1 and this is P2. Here numerator is e power 2t. So we have to substitute d equals to 2 square, that is 4, 4 plus 9, that is 13. So therefore this is P1. P2 is sin 3t by d square plus 9. Sin 3t means a will be 3. A square will be 9 minus a square will be minus 9. So therefore, if we substitute minus 9 in the denominator, the denominator becomes 0. So therefore, write a t in the numerator, sin 3t, differentiate the denominator, 2d, 9 derivative will be 0. T by 2, so multiply both, in order to make this d as d square, multiply both numerator and denominator by d. So it becomes d sin 3t, d into d will be d square. D sin 3t means derivative of sin 3t, which is 3 cos 3t. D square will be minus 9. So therefore P2 is minus t cos t by 6. Minus t cos 3t by 6. So therefore this is the particular integral 3 e power 2t by 13 minus t cos 3t by 6. Finally the general solution, C1 cos 3t plus C2 sin 3t plus 3 e to the power of 2t by 13 minus t cos 3t by 6. What is t? T is log x. Now we'll take the another example. X into d square y by dx square minus 2y by 2y by x equals x plus 1 by x square. Multiply the above equation by x. Why we have to multiply this equation by x? Since we should have x square and a second order derivative. In order to make this as x square, we'll multiply it by x. So it becomes x square into d square y by dx square minus, here x gets cancelled, minus 2y, x into x square, here x square becomes 1 by x. Put t is equals to log x to base e, or e power t is equals to x. The second order derivative becomes d into d minus 1 into y. So therefore the given equation will be d into d minus 1 into y minus 2y. Right hand side x square. X square means e power t whole square. 1 by x, 1 by e power t. This will be t square minus d minus 2 into y is equals to e power t whole square will be e power 2t, that plus e power minus t. Put d is equals to m. The auxiliary equation will be m square minus m minus 2 is equals to 0. The roots of the equations are minus 1 and 2. Since both are real numbers and they are not equal, the complementary function will be c1 e to the power of minus 1t plus c2 e to the power of 2t. Now the particular integral e power 2t by d square minus d minus 2 e power minus t by d square minus t minus 2. See here we have to substitute d equals 2 and here we have to substitute d equals minus 1. both are roots of the auxiliary equation, the denominator becomes 0. So therefore, write t in the numerator, differentiate the denominator. So it becomes 2d minus 1. Here also write t, differentiate the denominator. Now here you substitute d is equals to 2, and in this you put d is equals to minus 1. So this will be 4 minus 1, that is 3, minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 will be minus 3. Take 3 common, t e power 2t minus t e power minus t. Therefore, the final solution will be y is equals to c1 e power minus t plus e2 e to the power of 2t plus 1 by 3 t e power 2t minus t e power minus t. So therefore, this completes the solution.